today I'm demonstrating the technique of making a ruffle to attach to our Young Miss summer top. I started out by casting on with diamante, left needle 20 and right needle 35. So I cast down from 20 to 35 with center 0 is the needle that I'll be working on. Hanging stitches on. So now I have 18 rows that I knit, and that's how you start out. Knit 18 rows, hang, skip 2 or 3, hang the stitch on the right of needle of center 0, needle 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm going to skip 1 or 2 and hang, it's not really important, and hang this stitch on the left of center 0. So the left 1, 18 rows in between each one of these hangings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Again. You can just follow down as close as possible here, or just see where you hung the last one and skip 1 or 2 and hang it now again on right of center 0 and do our 18 rows. And we just continue this until we have the length that we want. And you would have your garment, your top finished, and measure around to see what length you need. And then I will steam these edges and fold it and attach my ruffle, and I will do extra decoration on this because crystals are in, so I will have the crystals that you can glue on to finish it. Instructions for ordering this pattern of the Young Miss top are in the written description below. And do enjoy your knitting.